Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my new vlog. This is Prithvi and you're watching Prithvi Nivasi. So guys, I'm on my way to look at a beautiful gated community where plots are less than 10 lakh rupees. Yes, you heard it right. तो सुबह सुबह 7 बजे हम निकल पड़े हैं और जाने से पहले ओनर के साथ हमने सोचा कि नाश्ता कर लेते हैं एंड शिव प्रसाद होटल में हमने नाश्ता किया एंड निकल पड़े हैं प्रॉपर्टी के लिए. द लैंडमार्क, where is the property, everything I'm going to tell you after crossing Nandi Upshar and Devnali town. Now we are on the way and there you can see Nandi Medical College, and today's property is going to be amazing property where we have already sold 160 plots. So these 160 plots are already registered and we are going to look at plots less than 10 lakh rupees. What is the exact plot cost? That I'm going to tell you, and also I'm going to explain you much more things on the way. So guys, if you want me to arrange a cab for you to visit the property and if you want complete details on your WhatsApp, then immediately comment I am interested. Please comment I am interested now. After that, second step is like the video and press the hype button, and after that click the WhatsApp link and immediately send me a WhatsApp chat mentioning that you have already commented and hyped, and once that's done I will be sending you all the details and I will arrange a cab for you to visit this property. So stay in the video till the end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So now it's time to take a left turn and leave the NH44 behind, and we are heading towards Lepakshi. The moment we enter this arch, we are living towards Lepakshi. Lepakshi is the place where the mystical bird Jatayu, the famous historical name Jatayu, fell after fighting Ravana, and Lepakshi means rice bird. This is where इसी जगह पे पक्षियों के राजा जटायु ने प्रभु श्री राम को माता सीता के अपहरण के बारे में बताया और रावण के साथ युद्ध करते हुए प्रभु श्री राम के गोद में प्राण त्याग दिए, और ये पुण्य उनको यहीं पे इसी जगह पे प्राप्त हुआ. We felt that, why don't we look at this place? So guys, I would want you to come along with me and look at this historical place, a monument of India. So let's go ahead and look at. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. तो गाइस लेपाक्षी के बाद हम ऑलमोस्ट प्रोजेक्ट के पास पहुंचने ही वाले हैं. So we are going to reach Madikshira Junction, which is famously known as Madikshira Hills as well. And this project is hardly about 1.5 kilometer, 5 minutes from this junction. So this is the entrance of the market area, Madikshira Junction area. So this is quite busy market, and right in front you can see one of the most famous monument of India, the landmark, and that is another archaeological heritage of India, a monument of India right in front. So right in front you can see there is a huge fort, the hill fort, Madikshira Hill Fort, and इसके कुछ pictures भी मैं डाल दूंगा screen पर. So that's the hills, Madikshira Hills, a beautiful monument of India, again a monument, a famous archaeological monument of India. Welcome to Madikshira Forts. So guys, right here, this is a huge market, a huge junction right in front of you, and पास में ही यहाँ पे project है. तो यहाँ पे this is in happening market, a Madikshira Fort. It's hardly about 1 kilometer from this junction. We have this beautiful project coming in the price of less than 10 lakh rupees for each plot. So if you're looking at 30-40, then this video is for you. And I would want you to help all your friends and families, people who can't afford, even 10 lakh rupees. And all the investors are also invited. So if you want to purchase, or if you want to earn a referral commission out of this project, you can contact me, you can help everybody. So if you're really interested in getting the referral amount out of this project, then you can contact my team, you can send a message on WhatsApp, and we would help you in selling this property and also give you a referral commission out of it. So complete details मैं आपको personally on call दूंगा. So stay in the video, and now we have entered the property. So this is a completely done project. It's almost 80% completed project, and one more thing, it is more than 500 plots. Exactly कितने क्या है सब कुछ मैं जब ओनर से इंटरव्यू में बात करूंगा, मैं सब कुछ आपको बताने वाला हूँ. स्टे इन द वीडियो. एंड आपको मैं एक और चीज़ बता देता हूँ कि 160 प्लॉट्स हैज़ बीन ऑलरेडी रजिस्टर्ड इन दिस प्रोजेक्ट. टोटल कितने एकर्स हैं, क्या है टोटल डेवलपमेंट, तो आपने देख ही लिया होगा वीडियो में. एज दिस आर ऑल द कटिंग, दिस इज द मेन रोड, दिस इज द अप्रोच, this is how we came inside the property. And just look at this, the complete development is going on, and maybe it will take few more months to complete. And at the moment development is not very important. More than that is holding the property in a certain price where it increases more and more in future. So cutting हो गया है drain, this is the storm water drain, these are the cuttings of the site, what are the sizes, what is the price, and how many months it is going to take to finish, and what is the price currently, and development होने के बाद जब ये सारे तार रोड सब कुछ आ जाएंगे तब क्या प्राइजेस होंगे, everything we are going to discuss. Owner is with me right here, हम लोग साथ में ही आए मान्यता से, एंड यहाँ पे मैं डायरेक्ट ओनर से मैं पूछने वाला हूँ, एंड ऑल द डिटेल्स ही इज गोइंग टू गिव मी. सो लेट्स डिस्कस विद द ओनर डायरेक्टली. Actually, this is the first time we are coming with such kind of price in my channel. This is the lowest price range that I'm coming up in this channel. So can you tell me what is the future and why we should go ahead with this property?
ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು 25 acres ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋಂಥದ್ದು.
Okay.
ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ